Hey guys, today is day 24 in my attempt to do a video every day in the month of April. Today, I have my cell phone out with its cracked screen and all. We're going to try something new. So today I'm going to try something new. I am going to invest on CashApp because they have an investment feature. And I believe I was watching 40 Plus Life or one of those channels that I really like to watch. And I think that I remember seeing her invest on Cash App. And I thought, what an interesting way to start small investment. Now I have larger investments in my retirement fund and my 403b, but this way is money that I can kind of play with and move around. So I'm going to go with buying stocks. I want to go to technology, and because I use a lot of Google, I'm going to invest in Alphabet. So buy, and let's just do $20. Next. And it's a one-time order. And verify my identity. Okay. I am employed. And okay. Do any of these apply to you? Are you or an immediate family member employed by this company, or no? None of these apply. Okay, here we go. Buy $20 of Alphabet. Well, I guess once it gets to $100, then I'll own. So, it says my order will be placed by 8:30 a.m. So, I am now an Alphabet stockholder. Yay! That's it. So a couple days have gone by since I made my purchase, and I wanted to come back and just share with you what actually happened. So the next day, I got a little alert that said that my purchase had been made. And when I logged in, I saw that Alphabet was down 2 cents and that my $20 is now at $19.98. But we know the stock market ebbs and flows. And so, it is what it is. It'll go down, it'll go up, and it'll be exciting to watch this grow and change. So far, my experience with using Cash App to invest has been a good one. It was really easy to make the purchase, and it appears that you can kind of watch your investments day by day and make changes as you need to or as you want to. So I will continue to watch this and let this grow. Um, I will probably save a little more money in my mini savings challenge or my sinking fund for investments, and just maybe purchase something else or maybe purchase a little more for this one, and just to kind of see how it goes. So I will update periodically on how this Cash App investment is working. But that's it for this video. It's taken a couple days to get it recorded between purchasing and then waiting for the purchase to go through. So here we are. If you would like to join me on this savings challenge, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below letting me know where you are on your savings journey. I want to thank you for stopping by and watching my videos as I attempt to do a video every day in the month of April. I am winding down the month, only a few more days left in this month, so stop back by to see if I make it through this last week of April. So thanks again for joining me, and until tomorrow, goodbye.